Six Sigma Black Belt Certification, Value and Career Benefits in 2023. Lean Six Sigma Black Belt is a course combining the philosophies of Lean and the methodology of Six Sigma. Using Lean Six Sigma concepts and methods, the quality of products can be improved, and the costs reduced. Hence, an employee will benefit from getting a certified Six Sigma Black Belt, CSSBB, as every company finds ways to cut costs and produce quality products.
But before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. Sprintzeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
Six Sigma Black Belt Certification, it provides more opportunities for career prospects and lucrative salary packages. Let us discuss how to become Six Sigma Black Belt certified and about every aspect related to Six Sigma Black Belt to get a clear understanding. Six Sigma Black Belt Certification Requirements. Motorola and Generic Motors designed the Lean Six Sigma courses initially. However, many other institutions and organizations designed their Lean Six Sigma course and offered them to the market. Hence, there are different Six Sigma Black Belt requirements to be fulfilled by a candidate as per the institute. The two organizations for LSSBB certification are the American Society for Quality, ASQ Black Belt, and International Association for Six Sigma Certification, IASSC Black Belt. The requirements of many institutes for Six Sigma Lean Black Belt certification are similar. The most common Six Sigma Lean Black Belt requirements of Six Sigma Black Belt certification are: a candidate must have completed 2 projects related to Lean Six Sigma with a signed affidavit, 1 completed project with a signed affidavit, and 3 years of work experience in Lean Six Sigma Black Belt body of knowledge. The candidate needs to be a Lean Six Sigma Green Belt certified. About Six Sigma Black Belt certification training. Institutes provide Six Sigma certifications across the world. Candidates can adopt either Six Sigma Black Belt online training or the traditional classroom Six Sigma Black Belt certification training. These institutes that provide Six Sigma Black Belt certification provide training as well. Lean Six Sigma certification is not easy. Hence, the training helps candidates understand the theoretical and practical concepts of Lean Six Sigma. If an organization wishes to get its employees Six Sigma certified, it can invest in on-site training where the trainers train the employees in the company itself. It is advantageous because it saves time and money on travel. The training can be tailored according to the needs of the company. The instructors focus on that group and understand the group's needs. Some institutes require candidates to travel to their location and provide training to individuals from different companies and backgrounds. After the training, the candidates need to prepare themselves for the examination. Referencing various study books and question banks can help during preparation. In addition, every institute that offers Six Sigma Black Belt certification has pre-decided dates for the conduction of the exams. How long does it take to get a black belt? Enrolling for the LSSBB course, getting a Six Sigma Black Belt trained, self-prepare, and attending the examination takes 1 to 3 months. So overall, getting Lean Six Sigma Black Belt certification takes 3 months or more. The time also depends on the institution you are applying to and training for Six Sigma Black Belt certification. Different organizations providing the Six Sigma Black Belt course have a pre-decided time within which the candidate must complete the course and attend the exam organized by the institute. In the LSSBB examination, generally, 150,200 multiple-choice questions are present that should be answered within a 4-hour duration. Value of Six Sigma Black Belt certification. A Lean Six Sigma Black Belt certified employee gains benefits for himself and proves beneficial to the company in which he works. Let us solve the central dilemma among candidates. Should one get a Six Sigma Black Belt after getting Six Sigma Green Belt certified? Before we answer the above question, let us understand the value of Lean Six Sigma Black Belt versus Lean Six Sigma Green Belt certification. A Green Belt aspires to become a leader and attain leadership roles in an organization, whereas a Six Sigma Black Belt certified employee is a leader, prepared to lead a team to success. A Black Belt Six Sigma can become a trainer for the subject Lean Six Sigma, whereas a Green Belt cannot. The Six Sigma Black Belts lead the project teams in an organization, and they have a say and can suggest ideas for the company's future. These are the differences between a Green Belt and a Six Sigma Black Belt. Top benefits of Lean Six Sigma Black Belt certification. There are enormous advantages of Six Sigma Black Belt certification. Leading organizations have utilized the principles of the Six Sigma Belt and cut down a good amount of costs along with cultivating effective productivity. The career and other benefits of CSSBB compared to other Six Sigma certifications are as follows. 1. Superior knowledge. While the lower levels of Six Sigma belts offer knowledge about the basic concepts, the Lean Six Sigma black belts have a better understanding and in-depth knowledge of all the theories and concepts of Lean Six Sigma. A black belt Six Sigma understands and applies DMAIC, define, measure, analyze, improve, and control, the primary process of Lean Six Sigma, thoroughly and uses it in projects. 2. Leadership. A Lean Six Sigma Green Belt is a team member who gets to participate in the company's projects and has the knowledge of Green Belt, but he cannot plan the projects. Whereas a Six Sigma Black Belt is the head of the project and plans and decides the layout and delegates work to the team members. 3. Handling complex situations. Certain situations arise while the execution of the project, which Green Belt individuals cannot resolve. They require intervention by a Lean Six Sigma Black Belt professional with immense knowledge of the field. As Six Sigma Black Belt experts are the ones planning the project, they can resolve any issues arising by applying their extensive knowledge and experience. 4. Higher package. There are numerous unfilled positions in quality management and other areas. Lean Six Sigma Black Belt career is booming because of the high pay. Some candidates start with the first level of the Lean Six Sigma certification course, that is, White Belt, but do not continue by proceeding to the higher levels. Lean Six Sigma Black Belt certification course is challenging and more demanding than the previous courses. Hence, numerous employers are looking for Lean Six Sigma Black Belts, and the Six Sigma Black Belt salary is one of the highest in the world. What is a Six Sigma Black Belt salary? The salary for a Lean Six Sigma Black Belt position is around 8 lakhs to 10 lakhs per year in multinational companies. It is lesser in smaller companies but above 5 lakhs a year. The Six Sigma Master Black Belt salary is higher than that of a Six Sigma Black Belt, but the certification course for Six Sigma Master Black Belt is more challenging in comparison. 5. Client loyalty. A company's clients trust the company if the employees work effectively and deliver valuable results within the estimated time. In this scenario, if there are Lean Six Sigma Black Belts leading the client's projects along with Lean Six Sigma Green Belts and Yellow Belt professionals in the team, they feel confident that the product or service provided will be top-notch. The method retains the clients and customers of the company. In addition, the shareholders and other stakeholders will also have confidence in their investments in the company. 6. Communication is key. Not all the team members working under a Lean Six Sigma Black Belt know the terms and concepts of Lean Six Sigma. Therefore, the Six Sigma Black Belt leader must explain to his team members in a way that everyone understands, without jargon. In the Six Sigma Black Belt training, people are prepared on how to do so. It will not be easy for non-certified employees to head a project team and execute projects with great value compared to the Six Sigma Black Belt leaders. Scope of Sigma Black Belt certification. Lean Six Sigma Black Belt professionals have a lot of scope across many industries. A Black Belt Six Sigma has numerous Six Sigma Black Belt job opportunities, and his value significantly increases in the company. A Lean Six Sigma Black Belt can also train Green Belts as he has a vast amount of knowledge in the field with a practical understanding of the theories. Lean Six Sigma principles can be used in various businesses, and the application can effectively be made by either a Lean Six Sigma Black Belt or a Lean Six Sigma Master Black Belt. Six Sigma Black Belt certification cost. Numerous online and offline institutes provide Lean Six Sigma Black Belt training. The most preferred ones are ASQ Black Belt and IASSC Black Belt. Get Six Sigma Black Belt online training from industry expert trainer. Lean Six Sigma Black Belt certification course is the 4th level of Lean Six Sigma, and as Lean Six Sigma is a world-renowned course for quality management, the cost is expensive. The Six Sigma Black Belt training costs range from $300 to $400 depending on the goodwill of the institute. In India, the Six Sigma Black Belt Complete program costs between 35,000 rupees to 40,000 rupees. The fee for the Lean Six Sigma Black Belt exam is included in the enrollment fees. As Lean Six Sigma certification holds a high value across several industries worldwide, it is always worth getting on the Lean Six Sigma wagon. The Six Sigma Lean Black Belt certification and Six Sigma Master Black Belt certification are the course's topmost and sure levels. It is difficult to crack these courses, but the career benefits are abundant once passed.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with Sprintzeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.